Hello, my name is Glennceria, and welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands, where I show you how I make my handmade artisan soaps and luxurious skincare treats. Before we get into this video, let me just say to my old subscribers, thank you so much for holding me down. I truly appreciate you. And to my new subscribers, welcome to Glennceria Loving Hands family. Come on, let's get into this video. Hello, we have them. We have our non-toxic toilet balm cleaners or toilet cleaning balms, doesn't matter. They're still doing the same thing. They're cleaning your toilet without you putting your hand or your cleaning bowl down in there and scrubbing away. This does some of the scrubbing for you, okay? Which is good. Not bad at all. You know something? What we didn't do today, we didn't do our deep breathing exercises. So let me bring you up and let's do our deep breathing exercises. Chill Out Friday. Deep breathing exercises in through your nose and out through your mouth. Oh, that feels so good. Now let's get into the video. Let me bring you down. Okay, so what we have here are our non-toxic toilet cleaning balms. Chill Out Friday today. Welcome everyone. I'm glad we made it to another week. Here are some of the jars that you can use to store them in. I think I'm going to continue with the jar I have here that I made myself, like a little DIY for the bathroom. All right, so all you do is our silicone mini mold. This is what they look like. And you just pop them out. Go over the ingredients again. Let's see if I can remember it on my own without looking at the recipe. 1.5 cups of baking soda. 1/2 cup of citric acid. 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide. 1 teaspoon of white vinegar. 10 drops of 30 drops of sweet orange oil. 30 drops of sweet orange oil. Yep, smell like orange. Mix everything together. You can have a small bottle of water, witch hazel, in case you need to make them a little bit more wet your mixture a little more moist for the molding. If you notice that our other ones that we did yesterday came out and they were crumbly. So if you notice here, these are not crumbly at all. They're coming out with not much at the bottom. That's because we added more water to this mixture. Okay. They hard, solid hard. See that? So they help you with deodorizing your bathroom, or definitely your toilet. Cuts down on your scrubbing and cleaning time, as far as your bathroom toilet is concerned. Baking soda and the citric acid helps with stains, hard water buildup, all that good stuff, okay? Have you ever had a toilet balm cleaner before? Try them out. You might like it. And another. Did we say they're non-toxic? They are non-toxic. Okay, good. Safe for your septic tank. Okay? less cleaning time in your bathroom, helps to deodorize and clean your toilet at the same time. Quick and easy, no fuss, no scrubbing. Just drop one in and go on about your business. Quote of today. What is the quote of today? Let's hear it. Oh, start your engines. Let's say that again. Quote of today. Start your engines. That's right. Get it together, right? Well, we made it. Made it through another Friday. I hope everyone had a good day, having a good day today. Friday is my videotaping day. This is when I sit down and make my videos. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So this is a videotaping day for me. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Absolutely. And it's almost filled this jar, so it's perfect. There you go. They smell so good. And we use 30 drops of sweet orange essential oil. You know, I've been procrastinating doing bath bombs, right? I don't know why. But I better get it together, right, guys? Get it together. Wow. Just show you that. Beautiful. Isn't that nice? Absolutely lovely. Put the top on it. Let's move this out the way. Bring this to the forefront. We put our top on it. And we're done for the day. So going over the ingredients again. We have 1.5 cups of baking soda, 1/2 cup of citric acid, 1 tablespoon of hydrogen peroxide, 1 teaspoon of white vinegar, 30 drops of sweet orange essential oil. Gave me a whole jar of my toilet bombs. Safe for your septic tank, will not mess it up at all, okay? Thank you so much for coming in and helping me with my non-toxic toilet cleaning bombs. I appreciate you stopping by today. Have a great weekend. Chill out. Enjoy yourself. Be safe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love you from Glennceria Loving Hands. Enjoy your weekend, guys. See you Monday. Bye-bye.